Good morning, Mom and Dad. I love you so much. I do. I miss you a lot. Hi. I'm a good girl. So I went for a long walk. Yes, I did. I'm gonna go inside, check on Buffy. Yes, it. Good girl. The good girl. Here's Buffy. Say hi, Mom and Dad. I know. You gotta talk to me. Get you one hook. Oops. Okay. Hey, Buffy. Hey, Buffy. Yeah. Mia, you ready to eat? I moved her food into the pantry so it'd be easier to get to. Right on. I like to watch her dance. Look at those feet. I know. Yeah, I'm so excited. No, ma'am. Okay. Wait. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sit. No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No. Mia. Sit. No, ma'am. Sit. Sit. You gotta sit. Nope. No. Okay. Say, I love my food. Yes, I do. Let's go see Buffy. 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 Say hi, Mom and Dad. Say hello. Yes. Yes, indeed. You hungry? Are you hungry? Okay. Let's go see what we can do. Here. There you go. Say, my bowl is empty. It is. My bowl is empty. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. Gonna see what I got. I'm right in the camera. Yes, I am. I'm saying hi to Mom and Dad. Say, give your kisses. Give your kisses. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.